Hi there, I'm John Baggen from the Netherlands. Hi. I have a story to tell. It was in 1969 I started with this Agfa camera in Isolat, what was actually for my father. His name was John also, you can see it here, it's my father's handwriting. And for weeks and weeks I was asking him to borrow the camera. I was 11 years old, hey. And finally I succeeded and he gave it. So from there it started with the love of photography, bit by bit. And from there also it was that much that in 1979 I started my own business. I started my studio, I did my photography, and every single day, still today, I'm enjoying what I'm doing. Really, really nice. But all the knowledge and all the experiences and all the stories behind every single picture are in my head. And what I want to do is spread it and give it to the world. Give it to the people who love photography and enjoy what we are doing. The community of photographers. That's one thing I definitely want to do, because I have 40 years of experience, but I don't have 40 years left to tell it. So that I decided, okay, what's going to do now? And then I started just as a 62 years old chap. I started Facebook, Instagram, and my own YouTube channel. That's something I can tell you. But if you love photography, please follow me there on Facebook, Instagram, or on the YouTube channel. And in the next time, I'm going to tell you everything about every single picture, and I'll tell you funny stories what happened when I was taking photography. Bye bye. See you there.